Yo, Romeo. What you gonna upgrade now?
Radio?
Finally.
Yeah, I really need one already.
A ver, enséñanos qué vas a poner.
What is this one?
Finally, you're upgrading. Something good.
Yes.
That radio over there was just not cutting it.
Yeah. I really need one already. I'll probably do the speakers too. The ones in the back.
See?
Yeah. So I need some good speakers.
The boy Valdo got a Ford Ranger now.
Some rock lights on that thing.
We got the Lightning. Picture Lightning. And some DS18s. Time to go bye-bye. Yo, Romeo, what's going on, man? This thing looks pink. This looks pink. Boy, got some pink trees up in here, man. I think I'm gonna step out of this truck. Here you go, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Yes. For free. Anybody want it?
Gotta hit up Romeo. He's gonna.
Nah, probably put it in the van. My work van. Probably put it on.
Escuchen música los paisas.
Paisas. Laberinito. Quarter mile.
I will show you what's in the box.
On the box.
Harness. USB extension, screws, microphone, remote, owner's manual. There you have it. Works for Android. I can't see it. iPhone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of the above. Huh? Hey, Osvaldo, get out that Ford already, man. Put the brackets on the radio already. Romeo. ¿Qué traes ahí, hijo?
Nothing but bullshit.
Ah.
Trae una Black Panther.
The radio. My old school radio. You know about that, man. That's the OG shit right there, man.
Tan siquiera hubieras abierto el sunroof, man. Me tienes aquí en el calorazo, güey.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
¿Qué onda, Meño?
Hey, ¿qué onda, Meño?
¡Meñoso!
¡Mañoso! Coca-Cola.
Ya le hablaron allá y se va de volar, güey. It's about time, man.
There you go. Need some fresh air, man.
Put the microphone for Romeo right there. Hey, Romeo, so you like the new iPhone?
Nah, I don't like the new iPhone.
This is like the new iPhone, and that shit you got right there, like Samsung.
Hell no, shit. Vas a agarrar las chiquitas y con esto.
¿Todo le puedes poner nuevo o la base se la dejas la misma?
I use the same bass.
Oh yeah, the same one?
You the bass, the bass.
Yeah.
Güey, te estás reditiendo aquí, güey.
Fucking, it's hot, man. It's Houston weather, man. Shit.
You look kind of shiny now, man.
Yeah. I'm dying.
Like a vanilla.
I need a beer.
Está derritiendo la vainilla, coño.
You need a bear. There's the end result right there. Let's turn it on, man, because it's too hot.
Yeah, I got that cam on that thing, man. Shit. What niggas know about that?
You want it in Spanish, English, or Portuguese.
En Puerto Rico, coño.
¿A qué fecha estamos, güey?
11.
9/11. What time is it?
2:17. Prende Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Prende Bluetooth. Pone some jam. Sí. Ya sabes qué voy a poner. Amarra, amarra. ¿Ya?
Ponle.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to search it. I'm sorry, I'm new to this shit. Oh yeah. Ahí está. Connect. A ver.
Súbele a tu phone.
Ah, no le ponen nada.
Súbele a tu phone.
A ver. Ahí está.
Hey.
That was up. Shit.
Open your maps. There it goes.
Viste que agarrarlo. ¿Entiendes los facts?
Oh, ahí va el güey.
Te
Damn,
compro
you
Romeo.
got no signal on your phone or what? It's just slow, man.
El Metro, man.
There you go. You're right there.
Hello, Siri.
Come mami.
Let's
I
see.
don't see mommy in your contacts. Business assistant name.
Que tú estás a vapor, ella mata con traje y cuando se viste por tiene el booty aquí el espejo.
Come papi.
¿Qué dice?
Barbie is a fashion doll manufactured by the American toy company Mattel, incorporated and launched in March 1959. That was from Wikipedia. Do you want me to keep reading?
Yes.
Hey Siri, you like?
American business.
Hey Siri, you like Chevys or what? Espérate, güey. Hey Siri, you like Chevys or what?
Hi there.